gets the rebound, goes back up, and a whistle and a foul. Or was he out of bounds? Nope, it's a foul on Strus, but the hustle from Hart. Kenny Atkinson not happy at all.
And Josh Hart with a bit of a heat check. Dribble up three, he knows. And this is the thing. Again, Jared Allen, because he's not really guarding Josh Hart, doesn't box him out. I guess I think that's the right call. That hand on his wrist right at the end. This is a free ball. Now watch Strus kind of grabbing on his arm right there. That's where the foul occurs.
Definitely. And they had the foul to give, so not in the penalty. McBride's going to come in. 1 second left. There's time to catch and shoot with 1 second. Try and get off a clean look. Hart's taken 12 shots. He's taken the most shots on the team. 2 of 7 from 3. Anunoby to Brunson. Brunson lets it fly. And the first half comes to an end. Coming up, we'll have halftime presented by Hyundai. The 2 stars not having huge offensive first half. Jalen Brunson only 2 points, 1 of 6 from the field. But the Knicks lead by 4. Evan Mobley, 14 points. He leads all scores. Cavs trying to even this series up at 1 apiece. They trail by 4. Halftime here at the Garden.
Here are your top 10 plays of Game 2 of the Western Conference Finals. Number 10, Jared McCain works the give and go perfectly, gets it back and lets the 3 fly. He gets every bounce imaginable as it rolls around and drops in. McCain gets the friendly bounce, and the crowd loves every second of it. Number 9, the Thunder force the turnover, and MVP Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, full speed ahead, takes off the other way for the slam. OKC turning defense into offense in a hurry, and SGA finishes the 2-on-1 with authority. Number 8, over to the Spurs. Victor Wembanyama drives right, misses the floater initially, but stays with the play, tips it right back home. The length and timing from Wemby on full display. Quick reaction for the easy putback with the left hand. Number 7, Victor Wembanyama somehow covers 2 players at once in the defensive end. Still gets the block over Alex Caruso at the rim. Wemby shuts down the play defensively, using every bit of that unbelievable 8-foot wingspan. Number 6, Wemby again, this time goes up for the finish, realizes it's off target midair, and throws down the putback dunk before anyone can react. Only Victor Wembanyama can recover like that, turning a miss into a highlight. Number 5, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander puts